Imagine you walk into your local grocery store, eager to buy a bunch of ripe bananas. But wait, there are two options. A fresh bunch today for $5 or a slightly bruised bunch tomorrow for $4. Which one would you choose? Most of us, being savvy shoppers, would jump at the chance to save $1 and happily buy the bruised bunch tomorrow. After all, $1 saved is $1 earned, right? This simple choice, my friends, illustrates the core concept of discounting. We instinctively understand that money has a time value. We're willing to delay gratification, enjoying our bananas today, for a lower price, saving $1 tomorrow. This brings us to the heart of discounting, understanding why money today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why is $1 today worth more than $1 tomorrow? This question might seem simple, but it holds the key to understanding many financial principles. The answer lies in three powerful forces: the time value of money, risk and uncertainty, and opportunity cost. These concepts are fundamental to making informed financial decisions. Firstly, money has a time value. Simply put, you can invest the money you have today and earn a return on it over time. This is the essence of why money now is more valuable. This means that $1 received today can grow into something more in the future. The potential for growth is a powerful motivator for immediate investment. Secondly, the future is uncertain. There's always a chance that you won't receive the promised $1 tomorrow. This uncertainty can be due to various factors. Unexpected events like inflation, market fluctuations, or even something as simple as the person forgetting to pay you back can impact your future cash flow. These risks make future money less reliable. Lastly, choosing to receive $1 tomorrow means missing out on the opportunity to invest that $1 today. This delay can cost you potential earnings. This lost potential for earning is known as opportunity cost. Understanding these principles can help you make better financial choices and maximize your wealth over time. Discounting is like looking into a crystal ball, trying to figure out what future cash flows are worth in today's money. It helps us make smarter financial decisions by comparing apples to apples, or rather, today's dollars to tomorrow's dollars. Let's say you're promised $100 a year from now. How much would you be willing to pay for that promise today? Discounting helps us answer this question. By applying a discount rate, we can translate that future $100 into its equivalent present value. The discount rate is a crucial element in this process. It represents the minimum return you'd expect from investing your money elsewhere. The higher the risk, the higher the discount rate, and the lower the present value of your future cash flow. There are different ways to discount future cash flows, each with its own strengths. Two common methods are simple discounting and present value using compound interest. Simple discounting is like taking a straight-line approach. It assumes that the discount rate is applied only to the original amount, ignoring the potential for earning interest on interest. On the other hand, present value using compound interest factors in the power of compounding. It acknowledges that interest earned in one period can generate even more interest in subsequent periods, leading to exponential growth. Simple discounting works well for short-term scenarios or when dealing with a single cash flow. But for long-term investments or streams of multiple cash flows, present value using compound interest provides a more accurate picture. Section 5. Show me the money calculating present value step by step. Let's break down the present value formula and see how it works in action. Understanding this concept is crucial for making informed financial decisions, whether you're investing, saving, or planning for future expenses. Suppose you're promised $1,000 in 3 years, and you want to know its present value given a discount rate of 5%. This scenario is common in finance, where future cash flows need to be evaluated in today's terms. The formula for present value is present value, or PV, equals future value, or FV, divided by 1 plus the discount rate, raised to the power of the number of periods. This formula helps us translate future amounts into their present-day equivalents. In this case, future value, FV, equals $1,000. This is the amount you expect to receive in the future. Discount rate equals 5%, or 0.05. This rate reflects the time value of money, accounting for factors like inflation and investment risk. Number of periods equals 3 years. This is the time frame over which the future value will be discounted. Plugging these values into the formula, we get PV equals $1,000 divided by 1 plus 0.05, raised to the power of 3. This calculation adjusts the future value to its present worth. PV equals $1,000 divided by 1.157625. This divisor accounts for the compounding effect of the discount rate over 3 years. PV equals $863.84. This is the present value of the future, $1,000. This means that receiving $1,000 3 years from now is equivalent to receiving $863.84 today, assuming a 5% discount rate. Understanding this helps in making better financial decisions. Section 6. Picking the right tool for the job. Discounting for every occasion. Choosing the right discounting method depends on the specific financial scenario. For short-term calculations or single cash flows, simple discounting might suffice. But when dealing with long-term investments, multiple cash flows, or varying discount rates, using compound interest or more sophisticated models is essential. For example, when evaluating a potential business acquisition, analysts often use discounted cash flow, or DCF analysis. This method takes into account projected future cash flows, applies appropriate discount rates based on risk and market conditions, and calculates the present value of the business. Remember, the goal is to choose the method that provides the most accurate and relevant insights for your specific situation. Section 7. Discounting in action. From retirement dreams to startup fortunes. Discounting plays a crucial role in various financial decisions, from planning your golden years to valuing startups on the cutting edge of innovation. It's a versatile tool that helps bridge the gap between present and future financial needs. In retirement planning, discounting helps you determine how much you need to save today to achieve your desired income in the future. This involves calculating the present value of your future retirement needs. By considering factors like inflation, life expectancy, and expected investment returns, you can use discounting to create a realistic roadmap for your financial future. This ensures that your savings are adequate to meet your long-term goals. In legal settlements, discounting is used to calculate the present value of future payments, such as those awarded in personal injury cases or structured settlements. This method ensures that the compensation is fair and reflects the true value over time. This ensures fairness and transparency by accounting for the time value of money. It helps both parties understand the real worth of the settlement. And in the world of startups, venture capitalists and investors rely heavily on discounted cash flow analysis to assess the potential return on investment for promising young companies. This analysis helps them gauge the viability and profitability of new ventures. By projecting future cash flows and applying appropriate discount rates, they can make informed decisions about where to place their bets. This strategic approach maximizes their chances of investing in the next big success story. Section 8. The future is now. Take control of your financial destiny. Understanding discounting is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. It empowers you to make smarter decisions, whether you're negotiating a car loan, evaluating investment opportunities, or planning for a comfortable retirement. So the next time you see a sale at the grocery store, or consider a long-term investment, remember the humble banana and the power of discounting. Because when it comes to securing your financial well-being, the future is now. What financial decisions are you facing where discounting could play a role? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation about building a brighter financial future together.